This video will describe the installation process for the windshield, rear poly panel, door close-offs, aluminum roof, and the side mirrors. Before installation of any accessories, read the instructions thoroughly, ensuring all parts and tools are accounted for. For your safety, perform all installation steps in the sequence shown, and retain the instructions for future reference and parts ordering information. To install the windshield, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Align the windshield onto the ROPS while supporting the bottom to prevent scratches to finished surfaces. Rotate the 4 clamps out over the ROPS to lock into place. The vents can be opened or closed by rotating up or down. To remove the windshield, rotate the clamps inward to release them from the ROPS. Then carefully remove the windshield. To install the rear poly panel, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Remove and retain the 2 body panel fasteners from between the seats. Install the rear panel bracket with the previously removed fasteners, ensuring the vertical part of the bracket is facing rearward. Torque the fasteners to specification. Starting inside the vehicle, maneuver the rear panel over the seats and align the side clamps to the ROPS. Compress the seal to fit securely against the body panel, ensuring the mounting bracket is outside of the rear panel. Rotate the 2 side clamps downward to secure the rear panel to the vertical tubes. Then, rotate the 2 top clamps upward to secure the panel to the upper horizontal tube. Finish by securing the poly panel to the panel bracket with the included knob fastener. To install the door close-off inserts, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Remove and retain the 2 bracket fasteners and trim bracket from the door panel. Next, remove and retain the 11 outer door panel fasteners. Then, remove the door panel and carefully set aside. Next, remove the 3 metal clamps securing the door trim to the door panel and carefully remove the trim from the panel. Remove and retain the 4 U-nuts on the door trim and discard the trim. Align the accessory close-off panel with the door panel. Start by installing the top tabs into the door panel and then slide the bottom mounts over the tabs protruding from the door panel. Next, install the 4 previously removed U-nuts into the mounting locations of the accessory close-off panel. Align the door panel with the door frame and install the 11 door panel fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Reinstall the trim bracket with 2 fasteners and torque to specification. Finish by inspecting the door for proper operation. To install the aluminum roof, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Apply the foam pieces to the underside of the roof panel within the etched dash marks or against the rivets of the light bar pocket. Install the 8 U-nuts onto the 4 corners of the ROPS. The convex style mounting holes of the U-nuts will help align it with the holes in the ROPS. Next, install the roof panel onto the body. Install a fastener, spacer, and washer into the 4 front mounting locations on the roof. Do not torque at this time. Next, slowly pull the roof panel back to mold it to the ROPS curvature. ensuring the foam pieces align with the ROPS on all 4 sides. Then install a fastener, spacer, and washer into the 4 rear mounting locations on the roof. Continue by torquing all roof fasteners to specification. Next, push the rubber grommet into the harness routing hole until it is fully seated. Finish by rechecking the torque on all roof fasteners. Compression of the foam pieces may cause the torque to change. To install the side mirrors, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Next, install the left-hand mirror into the clamp and secure with the binding post receiver. Pivot the assembly up to hand tighten the binding fastener. Next, reposition the mirror at the desired location when seated in the vehicle. Then, counter-hold the upper fastener and torque the lower binding fastener to specification. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle and verify proper operation of the mirrors. Minor adjustments can be made by applying light pressure on the glass edges. You can find all available RZR Pro XP accessories at razor.polaris.com. You can also find more accessory installation videos on the Polaris RZR YouTube channel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.